In this video, I'm going to show you how to install second messenger apps on Android. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to your settings. So your settings is either in your home page here or it's located at the top rower of your screen. So just swipe from above and just click on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the app section here and just click on that. And from here, you want to go to dual apps. And here you want to look for the messenger application. So if you can't find messenger here, you can actually just search it via the search bar at the top of your screen. So here just type in messenger, and here just click on messenger and make sure that you have the toggle on here. So once you've done that, when we go back into our screen here and look for messenger, so as you can see, this is my first messenger application here. When we look for a second application here, there's the second one. So when we open this up, it's gonna actually prompt for the login on our second account, and that's it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.